Half the car left.
Yeah.
Still got post covers.
Well, yeah. Whoever hasn't done anything as far as dash lift, dash roll. I think we go back on this boat. You want to take this off first, or whether we're not doing that?
Flip it without it.
Then we can just cut it off on its wheels. If we can get it done.
Yes. I'm good either. Yeah, let's flip it over if you can.
And then we can get both spreaders on the A and C post and start that way. We don't push it. Watch this shit. So,
Don't get your head around.
All right. Yeah, Eric. All your
carefully
struts need to come
remove
off,
the
y'all.
strut.
And then we'll take a water break, and then we'll finish it up.
Hey, George, what think about that tomorrow? Hey, is everybody clear the other side?
Yeah.
No, you still got
We're clear now.
Let's check batteries on the tools too.
Spreader's right there, Mark.
Copy that. Bring your struts back to the tarp. Don't lay them on the rock.
Well, I'm okay.
Everything was back on the tarp.
No, I was holding it that way. Oh, yeah, throw water in there. Yeah.
That was awesome. That was smooth.
So good. This screw's right here.
All right, your strut's out the way.
We're sending out some great.
How do you really
We do.
I know, that's what I'm
Pressure
saying.
relief valve.
We're sending out great students right here.
put down on?
You got the pin right
What do you think, Keith?
there. Pull down.
Makes me want to converse.
Huh? That's easy.
Still ain't figured out how to get that down.
Okay, get you 2 spreaders. Need people on 2 spreaders, and then need everybody on this side of the car and clear it from here. Make sure you're in a safe area.
Clear the side.
Yeah, clear this side. Give me 2 spreaders.
Where's the other spreaders?
Coming with it.
Cheekers, make sure you keep that side clear right there for me. All right, let's lift that roof up first, so that roof will come and collect it right in the face. And when it's flat, it ain't gonna Everybody get a spot with your spreader, let us know when you're ready.
We needed that. Had enough manpower.
All right, take a break. 15-minute water break. Hydrate.